Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nabil Muhammad Razli. My notice number is 08BP20TF1075.
And my name is Muhammad Zikri bin Fahmi, and my key number is 08 DEP 23F1100. And today we are going to show on how to properly wash a motorcycle.
Okay, this all is the thing that we need to wash the motorcycle. First, we have microfiber cloths. This is to wipe the motor, bucket and water, sponge, wax to wax tire, and soap, and this is to polish the motorcycle body.
So for soap, we have to use the proper soap. This is wash and wax soap. Regularly, people using this soap. This soap will damage the motorcycle. So we are using the proper soap. Okay, so first we are going to put the soap into the bucket. And then you put the water into the bucket. Soak the sponge that you want to use.
Okay, for the first step, the motorcycle is being rinsed by the water.
So for the second step, we are going to use the soap to wipe the motorcycle. So for the third step, use the different cloth for sport rim, because you don't want any dirt to go to the cover set.
The fourth step is the motorcycle is being rinsed by the water again to clear the soap, all the soap. After clear the soap, we need to wait in 2 minutes to water drop from the motor.
So for the fifth step, you can take the microfiber cloth to wipe the motorcycle. And remember, do not let the water stay at your motorcycle. It is because the water can damage the cover set by getting a watermark. So wipe the motorcycle immediately after you wait about 2 or 3 minutes.
So we getting to the detailing part, which is I put this wax on the soap, and then do like this.
So for the last step, we are going to polish the plastic part in the motorcycle. We are using this dashboard polish. You can get it in your near hardware store. So this is it for the tutorial on how to wash the motorcycle properly, and this is the result. Thank you.